processing large number of email messages. Recently, one of our customers contacted us and asked for help because the packages they created started to work very slow and timing out. So they created a lot of packages, they look exactly the same, all they do connect to email server, check some criteria using filters, etc. And then, for example, here's a filter based on subject, and then the action extracts the attachment into the folder. All the packages are the same, and they were scheduled to execute every minute. Connecting and disconnecting from email server is very heavy operation, and if you constantly do that, eventually the server will start throttling, so it will deny your request and everything will start running very slow. So what we did, we created one large package and we combining everything together using dynamic actions. Let me show how. So we have a process emails action, and we have a loop which goes all over emails within email folder, downloads the message, checks the message for certain criteria. For example, check the attachment name. If attachment name matches, it will save the data into this folder. Then it will delete the message, and then it will go back, read another message, and another message, and another message. So that way, we don't need to connect and reconnect from the server every minute. We can process all the messages in batches, and it works much faster and more reliable. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want any help with processing email messages, please feel free to contact us. We would be happy to assist. Thank you. Bye.